Hey drivers, I want to show y'all my CB setup in the Kenworth T880. I had the same setup in a 680. This also worked for 660s. But basically, I'm showing you, this is a Galaxy DX47 HP. It's a 100 plus watt radio. And you see I have it hanging between the visors instead of up here in this upper cabinet, because a big radio like Galaxy won't fit. Nothing more than the size of a Cobra 29 will fit up here. A little smaller radio will fit, but anything bigger than a Cobra 29 is not going to fit. So I just made these little brackets. Just got some aluminum from Home Depot and bent it, shaped it up a little bit, took that center visor out and stuck it there. I don't like how I have to have my wires. I could have went back here in the back and drilled a hole up here, but I really didn't want to do that. And plus it'd still be hard to fish the wires through, because it gets quite narrow back there. So anywho, so yeah, here we are. And the other point of me dropping it down here is because Kenworths have an external speaker right there, and you can see it right there. There's your external speaker. Even with that, you can't hardly hear anything. They suck. They are terrible speakers. So this is what I did. I just dropped it right here where this there's a visor that actually goes in the middle. It's a third visor. I took it out, used the same screws, you know, just made a couple brackets to hang it from. And here I'm going to show you a lot of people say, well, I can't get good reception. I got high SWRs in my Kenworth and stuff like that. So let me show you my SWR on channel 1, way down below 1.1. Let's see, channel 40, even lower. So I'm talking, this is just a standard Galaxy that's been tuned. There's no amp, there's no kicker. Talking roughly 10 miles on it. It does have just one antenna. I'm not doing co-phase or anything like that. It's over here to the passenger side, and it's a 5-foot fire stick. For the power, it's got the standard Galaxy wiring harness, and this wiring harness runs down the driver's side, down to the kick panel where the fuse box is, and in the Galaxy harness there's 2 fuses. From that point all the way back to my batteries at the back of the truck, it's 8-gauge wire, so you're able to utilize the full power of this radio. If you go any less than 10-gauge wire, you're not going to get the 100 plus watts that this radio puts out. You'll get more like 80, 60, something like that, because a smaller gauge wire just can't carry the current that an 8-gauge wire can. I went 8-gauge because, well, it's not that far to the battery, but you know, the routing that you have to do without drilling holes in the Kenworth, it's good, you know, to get it there. So let's see. Audio. Yeah, talks pretty good. You know, I don't run around with my top back on. I think that's annoying. So, but there it is, guys. That's how I mounted my Galaxy in a Kenworth. And I didn't put these screws in here. Somebody else did. It's supposed to have a little tab right there. It's got this truck. It's got 50,000 miles on it. Somebody else did that. So, my next video, I'm gonna talk about running the Coax from the antenna over to here. So check that out.